memories. After 3 boy, me says Skateland days. The whole of them used to drink dark soup, but a Skateland days.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and our health of our wealth. And your health is your wealth. So maybe going to please take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Help someone if you can. Yes, mama, we say equality, diversity, empathy, equity, unity, strength, love. Zane. Now my viewers and subscribers, in this episode I done a Ruddy Irie. Big up yourself, Ruddy Irie, real veteran in this. Zane. I have a song right now named Memories. I mean, I tell you, really memories, cause why? Who remember the dark soup, man? I know if the man who used to sell the dark soup. Sell the bad soup until people find out say dark soup. Well, I drank it. You see me? And my friend them drank it. My brother-in-law drink it and vomit one night. Where I come from. Odeon Theatre. Zine, I know Odeon Theatre is right next door to, used to be right next door, Skateland. Zine, where the gas station is now, yeah. Where the bus station is, yeah. You see me? Some of viewers and subscribers, before we get into Ruddy Irie song, yes man, we are begging to please go and check out this song titled Produce. It was released 2 weeks ago, the official video, and so far it has gathered over 5k views. I don't know, I'm a young artist, well, not a young artist, but underground artist. Zine, so we are doing the thing naturally, you know, organically. Yes man, it gathered 5,000 views. So big up the cast them who took part in it. I'm not in the video, but they don't know. Big up 3 million. Big up Barbecue Dal. Thanks for the support. Big up DJ Dalvi. Zine. Yes man, Dancehall Passport, the editor, you know what I mean? The videographer. Yes.
Feel like you are come at me. When you drive your tongue all over me body. Your type see don't hold me, it grab me. Girl, me love you so badly.
So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of that scene. Yes man, the link will be in the description and the comment section. Now let's get into the Ruddy Irie song right now. Mad and mean, you know? Dancehall memories.
Memories. After 3 boy, me says Skateland days. The whole of them used to drink dark soup, but a Skateland days.
One of them used to drink dark soup at a Skateland gate. Who you attack Ruddy? The whole of them, who? Your friend them? Boy, as me say, me drink the dark soup before.
After 3 boy, me says Skateland days. The whole of them used to drink dark soup, but a Skateland days.
Yeah man, big up all of who used to go Skateland, you know. Big up the big son them who used to play a Skateland, you know.
Them day they did nice. When Jara kill sound a Skateland. Ruddy ma mix with the great ninja man. Stole over Metro run a house a Leo. Gemini a play upper camp.
Well, I stole of Metro Media. You see, two big son, you know, where you, Mike, mentioned in them song, you know, Stone of Metro Media. Those were two popular big songs. Also, Jaro, when Jaro killed sound of Skateland, that Ruddy Irie make you know. Ruddy Irie also used to mix for Ninja Man. People in the year are going. History. Yeah man, big up Glamour Wayne, you know. One of the big names who I grew up and hear his name ringing as well as a youth, you know. Yes man, big up Yellow Man.
What about the youth when Pupa Tayan and every school fed me and Raga Shell that was the wheel him come Kingston at Burbank and a DJ non-stop.
Yeah man, Raga Rugian Ruddy Irie is to shell every Kingston fit. You Ruddy Irie tell you Joe's wheel come and say Kingston hat. You see me? Yes man, I'm mad sitting man.
Early be me teacher and the great super cat along with Nicodemus, them no left them felt that.
Yeah man, Nicodemus super cat never left them felt that. Ruddy I tell you about history and reality, you know. And Ruddy Irie is a veteran of the business who grew up amongst all these names that he is mentioning.
After 3 boy, me says Skateland days. The whole of them used to drink dark soup, but a Skateland days.
Yes man, enough of them are going to deny it in a Ruddy. Enough of them are going to deny it and then drink the dark soup.
Them days they did nice and your fresh and shell down round at Chicago. So much spice whiskey, them a shell down the bar.
Yes, man, big up Andrew Fresh. I have been a shell of Chicago. I really talk. No, Samo, mad.
Nobody now fuss and nobody now war. Man a wine them woman and a bun them cigar.
Yeah, man, we need back those days, you know. Nobody now fuss now war, you know. Man a wine them woman and a bun them cigar. People we need back those times. Stop mash up the dance, you see me?
Be hot girl in the dance tonight, looking pretty and then clothes fit right. Gone do them nails and then gone do them here. Yes, man, them want the man them fist here.
Yes, man, big up Ruddy Irie now left what the girls them. Official, girl, you and the wife and it official. Viewers and subscribers, they say Ruddy are dealing this song, Ruddy now left out nothing. Ruddy are big up the hot girls and Ruddy say big up the girl and me do them nails and them here. You see me, and I step out for the dance all night, you know, because them want every man to steer, you see me? Yes, man, big up the girls and know if you dress and impress.
Walk out, girl, video man, find you and you and you. Every Saturday morning, out a crossroad, Gary Theater, we got a Martinique.
Yes, man, Carib Theater Martinique. Hey, Ruddy Irie got that history again.
Out of tasties, the party them hot, higher run water, mount lip up on up, Skateland, yes, Mrs. Skateland.
Yes, man. Hey, me tell you something about Martinique Theater. We used to walk from Pale and go Martinique Theater, go watch be a karate show, Kickers. Me and my big uncle Barry and his wife, R.I.P. Root. See, big up the whole Roast Town, you see me? Yes, man, big up the whole jungle, you see it? Yes, man.
Yes, the whole of them drink dark soup, but that's Skateland, yeah.
All of them like who Ruddy, call some name the man, make you know who drink the dark soup. People me drink the dark soup because the soup did bad. People from all over come buy soup from the man here, you know. Yes, man, until them find us at dark soup, man, they have to cut. Yes, man, I'm a brother-in-law drink the soup, man, I'm vomit one night, man. Yo, me I tell her, pan spot.
General 3 drinks, some a second and the grill. Pass another cup to a Louis Letke. On the sound Virgo, you have Welt and Irie.
Well, on the Ruddy Irie. Ruddy Irie is a General 3 drink some. I'll cut say God and the grill. Louis Letke drink some. Yo, me I tell pull it up back there so again, viewers and subscribers.
On the sound Zero and Lieutenant Stitchy. On the sound Creation, you find Papa Son. Here is Jamison.
Hold on there.
General 3 drinks, some a second and the grill. Pass another cup to a Louis Letke. On the sound Virgo, you have Welt and Irie. On the sound Zero and Lieutenant Stitchy.
Yes, man, Welt and Irie. Lieutenant Stitchy, Stereo One sound. All these sounds me grew up and hear them, you know. Hear about them, you know. So you see, Ruddy, I tell you the history right now. All I will drink the dark soup.
This one Creation, you find Papa Son. Here is Jamison in a city. Nuclear Exodus and new promotion. Jalova play for the Rasta man.
Yes, man, big up Jalov. I Ruddy no left out no sound. What are the big sound them? You see me? Ruddy I make you know, and still you gotta have some sound. We say already not call my sound name. You see me? But you can't call every name. But Ruddy I make you know start. Big up Jalov the Rasta man them, you know. Ruddy Irie, then can't hold Ruddy swing it.
April 3 war, Mrs. Skateland, yeah.
Lad!
The whole of them man drink dark soup of Skateland, yeah. When me a tour, me tour down Portmore. When me a tour down El Salvador. When me a
Well, on the Ruddy, you got El Salvador? No, Ruddy, me lift off my hat to you, Ruddy. You got El Salvador?
tour, the whole of America man tour. When me a Capleton tour, the whole of Canada.
And Capleton tour the whole of Canada. But hey people, and the like Ruddy I tell you now, Ruddy I make you know the history, you know. Some boy enough to size up to Ruddy Irie thing, you know. Yes man. You have to give Ruddy him props and him credit, because Ruddy been there and done that. You see me?
Chain and Finch and Pace Buffalo, Toronto and Mississauga. One day heard that me and Shabba, Ruddy Irie tour all over.
Yeah, the man make you know Ruddy Irie tour all over. Don't size up with Ruddy Irie. You see me? Give him respect and give him credit. Yes man. You see me? He may not get the big boss the real way, but Ruddy Irie put in the work. You see me? And him pay him dues. You see me? Yes man, and me I do this real from heart, not for no likes nor views. You see me? So people let me know what they think in the comment section. Yeah man. Hey, King Glamour, you drink the dark soup too? Determine, you drink the dark soup too? Who else make you call now? Yo, people, let me know if you drink the dark soup. Don't be ashamed, don't be shy, don't tell no lie. Me drink the dark soup several times, but me never know it's a dark soup. You see me? Yeah, man.
Oh, this is Skateland days. The whole of the artists them drink dark soup out of Skateland gate. Bang, 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 bang. Wow.
Wow. People in here already tell us that the whole of the artists then drink dark soup out of Skateland gate. Remember tell us that soup man did him soup bad. Me as I look at you, we gonna have to 3 more time. If you go hang out and you know. Yo, me I tell you, sometimes we go sell back and say we're gonna have to 3 go and buy soup. The man soup bad until we find out say dark soup. No wonder why the Chinese and love the dark so. No disrespect to the Chinese there, but where I not see art no leap. I saw them say our fat no kill. Yes. Ruddy Irie, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, I dance a song named Memories by Ruddy Irie. And you don't know, big up all of the names that were mentioned in the song. You don't know. Ruddy Irie say big up Ruddy Irie, because you know say history. Zine, a lion foot in another vlog. I would do it when I boast, not brag. I deliver my vlog different from the rest. But I'm still not saying I'm the best. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Yo, big up Ruddy Irie once more. Big up everybody. You see me I say? Dancehall memories. You see me? Well, memories. You know dancehall memories are You Mike song. Zine? We are caught some controversy right now with Get a Story. Zine? Memories story. So Ruddy I'm making us some memories. And viewers and subscribers, you see before Sir P came out and I talk about Get a Story and Dancehall Story, Ruddy Irie did this song long before that, a few months before that, or maybe a month before. You see me? But we just get the time to really review it. So big up yourself, Ruddy Irie. And you don't know. That for sure is Ruddy Irie in tune, Ruddy Irie up to date, and Ruddy Irie I think out of the box. Zine. So big up everybody. A lion foot and a whole up of love. Zine. Yes man, not another word out of my mouth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.